Yesterday, our officers were able to nab or to arrest a key suspect who has been in this business for quite some time, and we were able to recover 10,862 SIM cards and also a laptop and some phones and also Equitel lines. And as you can see behind me here, this is something that is actually needs an in-depth analysis and in-depth investigations that will involve our cybercrime and also bank fraud units that will actually look into it to unearth these criminal activities that has been going on for quite some time. And I want to congratulate my colleagues who have been making sure that this cartel is brought to a halt. They have been investigating it, and yesterday we had a breakthrough, and we want to support members of the public and congratulate them for actually giving us the information timely. And that's why we say it is important to report. Some of the victims have not been reporting this. And I want also to inform members of the public that according to what we've seen here and our observations, preliminary investigations indicate that these are some of the cards used to credit you, to people take loans on your behalf, and you might end up being blacklisted with the Fulisa, because of Fulisa, other bank online transactions, and you find yourself in trouble and you haven't even transacted or even you've not taken a loan from any bank or any Fulisa or these borrowing organizations. So we want to tell Kenyans, in case you suspect that you did not transact, you did not go for Fulisa, Tala, and even these other banks, you did not borrow anything to do with loans, please report that one immediately to a police station so that we are able to record it and see if there is linkage with what has happened here in Bondo. So this is a countrywide thing, and we are still following some leads. It might even take us to Nairobi or Eldoret or wherever. But we want Kenyans now to calm. Those ones who feel that they did not transact with Itala, they did not borrow loans, to come and report to police stations to help us in these investigations. Otherwise, unless you have more, so far we are trying to now embark on investigations, as I did say, in-depth analysis also, and also to look for more culprits who are involved in this racket. Thank you. How many suspects are there? We have 3 suspects, and we are still looking for more. We've gotten an opportunity to come and sensitize members of the public of the steps that we've actually undertaken to secure and make them safe in their transactions, and also to ensure that we are actually enhancing our capacity to be proactive in taming the behavior of those who have turned to be criminals and stealing from innocent Kenyans using new technology, mobile phones, SIM cards swapping, and registration of service providers in terms of communication.